Hello, and welcome to this guided hypnosis session. I advise you to put on headphones or earphones. I am here to help you reach a deep state of relaxation and inner exploration. Please make yourself comfortable, whether sitting or lying down in a place where you can feel safe and let go. Before we begin, ensure that you will not be disturbed during the duration of this session. Turn off your phone, close the door, and create a peaceful space around you. Allow yourself to release all the tensions in your body. Take a deep breath. Hold it for a moment. Then slowly release the air, expelling all the concerns and worries of your day. Gently close your eyes if you haven't already, and focus on your breathing. Feel the air entering peacefully through your nostrils with each inhalation. And with each exhalation, imagine releasing all tension, all negativity. Now, imagine that you are standing by a tranquil lake. The water is calm, the sun's reflections gently dancing on the surface. You feel the gentle breeze caressing your skin. You are safe here, surrounded by serenity. With every breath you take, you feel lighter, more relaxed. Imagine yourself walking slowly into the water, feeling its coolness gently rise over your feet. Then your ankles, bringing a profound sense of well-being. With each step you take in the water, you sink even deeper into a state of profound relaxation. Imagine that each wave touching your body carries away all concerns, all tensions. You feel lighter, freer, with each passing moment. Now, let yourself float gently on the water's surface, as if you are carried by the harmony of this peaceful place. Feel enveloped by the warmth of the sun, the gentleness of the water. You are completely relaxed, at peace with yourself. In a few moments, I will guide you even deeper into this state of relaxation. You will be able to explore your subconscious, find the clarity, healing, and transformation you seek. For now, simply enjoy this feeling of calm and tranquility. You are safe. You are relaxed. And you are ready to enter a deep state of hypnosis. I will be here at every step to guide you. Let's continue this journey together and allow yourself to be carried away by the magic of your own mind. Now, visualize a whiteboard in front of you, floating in the soothing darkness of your mind. This whiteboard represents your mind, blank and ready to be used for memorization. Imagine yourself holding a magical marker between your fingers, ready to write. Every time this marker touches the pristine surface of the whiteboard, you instantly remember every word you write. Visualize yourself writing with astonishing precision and clarity, with each word etched into your memory with incredible depth. This mental whiteboard is a powerful tool, a space where you can organize your thoughts, ideas, and information you wish to memorize. You can adjust the text size, choose colors to highlight important information, or even draw diagrams to better visualize concepts. You have full control over this whiteboard, and it is at your service to enhance your ability to focus and memorize. Imagine that every word you write on this board becomes an integral part of your memory, a strong link in the chain of your knowledge. You have the power to memorize easily and efficiently, using your mind as a powerful and precise instrument. As you write on this board, feel yourself becoming increasingly focused. You are completely immersed in the task at hand. Distractions fade away, and your mind is in perfect harmony with the memorization process. You feel calm, confident, and capable of absorbing every detail. Mentally repeat after me. My concentration improves every day. I can focus deeply on my tasks. My mind easily absorbs the information I learn. I memorize with ease and precision. My power of concentration is an unlimited resource. I'm calm and focused when I study or work. My memory is reliable and powerful. I visualize the information I want to memorize clearly. My mind is an effective tool for memorization and learning. Every day, my ability to focus and memorize amplifies. Deep concentration is my secret superpower. My mind is a knowledge sponge. I retain everything important. Every moment of concentration strengthens my memory and understanding. I am in harmony with my learning goals, and my concentration guides me to success. Concentration and memorization are skills I constantly develop to achieve my aspirations. Continue to breathe deeply and steadily, feeling this concentration energy spreading throughout your being. Your mind becomes a sponge for the information you memorize, absorbing it deeply and storing it with ease. Now, as this hypnosis session comes to an end, I will gently guide you out of this deep state of relaxation. You can be proud of yourself for embarking on this inner journey. Begin with gentle breaths, slowly returning to the awareness of the present moment. Feel the air entering your lungs, and with each exhale, become more awake, more conscious. Take a moment to feel the warmth of your body, the lingering sense of relaxation. Keep this inner peace that you have found during this session with you. At your own pace, in your own way, gently open your eyes when you feel ready. When you open your eyes, you will feel refreshed, energized, and in harmony with yourself. Remember that you can return to this state of relaxation at any time, simply by taking a few moments to focus on your breath and recalling the tranquility you experienced here. Thank you for sharing this time of relaxation and inner exploration with me. Feel free to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more positive content. Take care of yourself, and remember that you are an incredible person capable of achieving great things in life. Until next time, keep taking care of yourself, nurturing positive thoughts, and exploring the treasures of your mind.